Hi everyone, welcome to Allu Srinivas Maths class. Now we discuss another method in solution of triangle. The method is two angles and one side. The given problem is angle A equal to 45 degrees, angle C equal to 60 degrees, side B equal to root 3 plus 1. First we have to find another angle and find the remaining two sides by using the sine rule. First you have to write given three values. Given angle A equal to 45 degrees, angle C equal to 60 degrees, side B equal to root 3 plus 1. And then find angle B, comma, side A, comma, side C. We know that the relation between three angles A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. Write the formula. We know that A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. We want angle B, then send A plus B terms to RHS side, then B equal to 180 minus of A plus C. 180 minus of where A is 45 degrees plus C is 60 degrees. 180 degrees minus 105 degrees. And then finally angle B equal to 75 degrees. This is a required angle. Next we have to find the remaining sides by using the sine rule. First you have to write the sine rule formula. A by sine A equal to B by sine B equal to C by sine C. Write the formula. Sine rule. A by sine A equal to B by sine B equal to C by sine C. First we have to find side A. We write convenient formula from sine rule. Required side A by sine A equal to given side B by sine B. Apply the cross multiplication two fractions A sine B equal to B sine A. We want A only, then send sine B to RHS side B sine A by sine B. Known values substitution in this formula where B is root 3 plus 1 and angle A is 45 degrees, sine 45 degrees, and where angle B is 75 degrees. Side A equal to root 3 plus 1 into sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2, sine 75 degrees is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. And numerator and denominator is root 3 plus 1 is a cancel, and root 2 cancel, and then finally 2. This is the required side A equal to 2. Next we have to find required side C. We write the convenient formula from the sine rule. So given side, the required side C by sine C equal to given side B by sine B. Apply the cross multiplication C sine B equal to B sine C. We want side C, then sine B sent to RHS side B sine C by sine B. Known value substitution in this formula where B is root 3 plus 1 and where angle C is sine 60 degrees and sine B is where B is 75 degrees. We know that root 3 plus 1 into sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2, and another trigonometry value sin 75 degrees is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, and numerator and denominator root 3 plus 1 cancelled, and also 2 cancel, and then finally root 3 into root 2, and finally root 6, and required side c equal to root 6. This problem here, the solution is side A equal to 2 and side C equal to root 6 and angle B equal to 75 degrees. This problem is also solved by calculator very easily. We take another problem in this method. Here given 3 elements of a triangle and we find remaining 3 elements. This process is called the solution of the triangle. Here 3 elements is A equal to 2 and angle B equal to 30 degrees, angle C equal to 60 degrees. So you find the third angle, angle A, and remaining sides side B and side C by using sine rule. And third angle we find the relation between 3 angles. First you have to write given 3 elements. Side A equal to 2 and angle B equal to 30 degrees and angle C equal to 60 degrees. The remaining elements is find angle A, side B, side C. We know that the relation between 3 angles is the formula A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. We want angle A, send B plus C term to RHS side, then A equal to 180 minus of B plus C. B and C substitute in this. 180 minus of B is 30 degrees, C is 60 degrees, and then 180 minus 30 plus 60 is 90 degrees, and then finally required angle A is 90 degrees. Next we have to find the remaining sides, side B and side C, by using sine rule. You write the formula sine rule. A by sin A equal to B by sin B equal to C by sin C. First we have to find side B. We write the convenient formula given side, required side B by sin B equal to given side A by sin A. We apply the cross multiplication B sin A equal to A sin B. Finally B equal to A sin B by sin A. Substitute known values where A is 2 and angle B sin 30 degrees, and we know the angle A is 90 degrees. 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 90 is 1, and then finally required side B equal to 1. Next we have to find side C. We have to write the convenient formula from sine rule. Required side C by sin C equal to given side A by sin A. We apply the cross multiplication C sin A equal to A sin C. We want C equal to A sin C by sin A. Known values substitute in this formula where A is 2 and angle C is 60 degrees and angle A is 90 degrees. We know sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1. Finally, required side C equal to root 3. Here the solution angle A equal to 90 degrees, B equal to 1 and C equal to root 3. This problem also solved by using calculator or easily or your mind calculation. Thank you.